jot this down, get myself a brain freeze, and then deliver these presents in a full speed sprint through this pile of butter on the floor and get them to the other side safely. That's it. Have a good day. I just broke my toe. I just broke my toe. Oh, God. I just sliced my toe open. I gotta go to the hospital. You can see the bone. If you want to see jackass type shit, here you go, buddy. You can see the bone on that. Oh. It's going viral. I gotta go.
Oh my god.
That's dumb.
That's
Dumbest
really...
fucking thing I've ever done.
Oh my god.